question 18, hydrogen is a colorless flammable liquid with an odor that is similar to that of ammonia. So they ask what is the number of valence electrons in a molecule of hydrogen that is not involved in bonding. So if you look at the diagram, right, you see all these dashes. What do these dashes represent? One dash represents one single covalent bond. And the definition of a single covalent bond, right, is that there are two shared electrons. Okay, so hydrogen, okay, is sharing one, and nitrogen is also sharing one. Okay, and if I were to convert this into a dot and cross diagram, right, this would be how it looks like. So hydrogen contributes one each, and nitrogen would also contribute one. Okay, but take note, nitrogen is in group 5, which means that it has 5 valence electrons. And you notice out of these 5 valence electrons, right, only 3 is being involved in bonding. So there are another 2 valence electrons per nitrogen atom that is not involved in bonding. Okay, whereas for hydrogen, it only has 1 valence electrons. So all of its valence electrons are actually involved in bonding already. So when they ask what is the number of valence electrons not involved, right, it's just these 2. So in total, there are 4 valence electrons from both nitrogen atoms that is not involved in bonding. So answer will be option B.